So friends, in this video I shall discuss various inquiry menu options related to inventory management and how to generate reports. First of all, gratitude to all of you for subscribing, giving a tremendous response to my website and huge demand from my website BankTekSkills.com as well as YouTube channel. Do subscribe, do share it with your friends, make it a revolution. Let's all benefit and let's make it a joint effort for all of us, right? So first menu option is for inquiry is HIMI, right? How inventory moves from one location to another location. So menu is used to inquire the inventory movement between locations of a given soul. The inquiry can be made as per following search by inventory transaction status from location to location, code from source to destination authorizer, right? So these are some of the options that you will be getting when you generate this report. So click on go, inventory movement inquiry screen will appear here, right? So from soul ID, user ID, which soul ID this report is being generated. You can view these reports, right? So you have a lot of options from this menu option, this inventory class to this inventory class, from this inventory code to this inventory code, and click on go here. So you can see here number one, external to the system, double log, external to the system, double log, DBA, database administrator, or external to the system, right? So source and destination, तो external ZZ से गया वो double log में, double log से गया वो employee location code में, second one, right? You can see here. Then external to double log again, then from double log to again to employees location code, right? DBA, right? You can see various location code through this menu option, right? Enter any selection criteria. You have a lot of options available, lot of leverages are available. Inventory class, inventory status, code, dates, right? You can choose and which inventory you want to generate the report. This is maybe useful for audit purposes also. Click on go. The system displays the result screen, right? You can see here when a selection criteria is given by the user, system displays results as per the selection range, right? So transaction serial number 151371, source location DL, then inventory alpha 100 man, status, description savings 20 leaves, destination location DBA, database administrator, right? The various reports can be generated through this, right? Now I'll show you one more out of this. There are 2 3 4 menu options more and you can generate report. Now there are two menu options for generation of report. One is HISR, one is HISRA, process of generating inventory status report, right? So let's go. These are menus used for generating the reports for status of inventory at a particular location. The HISR menu is used for generating reports for status of inventory with the user which is already logged in. The location, class and code field will be frozen by the system because user is already logged in. In HISRA menu option, location, class and code fields are open. So HISRA is a better when self also can generate the report. If the user leaves the location, class and code field as blank, the system will generate the report for the status of inventory with all the locations of the soul, right? So if you leave it blank, all the locations, code and souls will be shown here, otherwise it will be as per entered in the system respectively, right? So various leverages, when you see these videos on my website, it will be more clearer. You enter an HISR or HISRA and click on go, inventory status report. Choose the option HPR, you can generate the report. So HISRA, in HISR menu, this field will be frozen, location, class and code, but HISRA it will not be. Select appropriately location, class and code. The searcher can be used to select the inventory codes. If left blank, the system generates report for all the inventory lying in the selected locations. Click on submit. And you can generate the report through HPR, right? Inventory status report you can generate here. So batch program successfully invoked means you can now run menu option HPR, either view or generate or print a report once the batch program is over, right? Now next I'll show you one more option and then it will be over for all the inventory management. Now the process of generating inventory movement report, this is you have to print it by default, right? So HIMR is the menu option for printing the report, right? This may be required for audit purposes or for tailing of the inventory also. This menu is used for generating reports of inventory movement between location of a given sold. The report criteria can be defined as per the HIMI, which I discussed in the morning and prior to this beginning. HIMR, click on go. This is inventory movement report from which location to which location, which inventory moved, so that all can be tallied by the auditor or the manager. Enter any selection criteria, click on submit, right? So inventory class, status authorized, location employee and employee from DL to DL, from wall to employee location code, checkbook, savings 20 leaves. The result screen displays a message batch program successfully invoked. Then you type HPR in the menu option, click on go, you get this report on your screen and which can be viewed or which can be printed also. So this I have covered all about inventory management. Again in my website BankTekSkills.com, in the advanced module I have shown these inventory management, and for others I may inform you I have added education loan, home loan, retail loans, car loan, inventory management, signature verification system. Lot of topics on Finacle live videos I have shared there. So do also go in for advanced module. Feedback most welcome, I'm waiting for it, and your thumbs up I'm waiting for, or any suggestions, any topic, please do connect with me. Thank you so much. God bless you all.